So we're piloting a automated flagging system. You won't see any employees out in the road, so it's not putting our employees in harm's way with active traffic. These are going to start to be standard practice in the department. They're not going to be on every work site, but they will be on secondary roadways. As oncoming traffic approaches the flagging station, our DOT employee is going to activate the stop bar to come up, allowing traffic to flow through. As the employee sees that there's no more cars in the work zone, he can signal it to go back down and allow traffic in the opposite direction to start flowing safely through. They are automated, except there is a human aspect of it. The employees are operating it with an iPad, so somebody is manning the station at all times. Whether these are in the field or actual people, we still need to have our workers that are working in those work sites to be safe. People are on their phones constantly, texting, talking on the phone, eating, putting on makeup, where they're not actually paying attention to our traffic signs. These automated flagging systems have a 360-degree camera recording system. So if there's any incidents in the field, we can use that as evidence if there's any accidents or dangerous situations that come out in the field. If you see flagging patterns out in the field, please obey the laws, slow down, making it safe for our workers. So that's why we want to do this, in order to inform the public